The San Diego is a Tier 5 American cruiser which can be only obtained in the game by purchasing with real money or getting it from the premium container. Once you get the San Diego, you should remember that it has 8 guns which twin mount. So it is very likely to cause fire and it's also called USS flamethrower. Once you get your flamethrower, you will first upgrade your main batteries, then torpedoes, then speed, then HP of the ship, and then the turn ratio of the ship. The turn is very good with the San Diego. Your primary shells will be AP. Highly explosive shells you should use on every target which is above 2 kilometers. Once the target gets below 2 kilometers, you should use armor piercing shells on it. The main job of the San Diego is to hunt destroyers. Then you should always hunt destroyers before anything else. The San Diego has one of the fastest reloading guns. With the German flag, it reduces the reload time. The reload time comes to 6 seconds. Now I will show you what the guns of the San Diego can do. You should use covers like islands when playing the San Diego and try to stay close to islands and away from open water. As you can easily use the cover of islands to get close to your enemy so that you can torpedo them from point blank range. As you can see, the guns have a fire very fast. Use highly explosive shells as they have a very large chance of catching fire because you are firing 14 shells at the enemy. You stay close to friendly cruisers and battleships. You stay behind battleships so that they may take shells and you don't have to take shells from other battleships. You help battleships by eliminating all the destroyers so that they can focus on the enemy battleships. Your guns are very fast reloading. Try to aim at the superstructure of a ship to have a higher chance of causing fire. With the great rudder, you have a very high chance of dodging enemy shells. Your gun's turrets aim very fast, so you have to keep up with that idea. can use your rudder and keep dodging enemy shells like a pro. Once the enemy is done fire, quickly turn and fire all of your shells and quickly remove your ship from your board. You can also dodge torpedoes like a pro with the new San Diego. With the USS San Diego, you can get high amounts of reward. When played right, the USS San Diego can get you a large amount of platinum, gold, money, and rank, even when you lose the battle. And when win, you get a huge amount of rewards. Average players will basically get also good rewards. Your main So now that you know how to use the USS San Diego, go out there and show enemy destroyers who is the king of the seas.